Good morning. Today we've got another episode of Dad Tips. What we're going over today is cleaning the coils on your refrigerator. It helps to clean out the coils at least once a year, sometimes more often than that. It really helps the condenser run a lot better on the compressor run a lot better on the refrigerator and extends the life of your refrigerator. So my first step when I do this is I get a brush. Got a nice long brush here. They might market this as a dryer cleaner vent brush, but it's also a condenser brush. So it's just a long brush, got a long handle on it, and it's got tapered bristles so it fits inside the coils real nice. Next thing, I like to take the back cover off of the refrigerator so I can really get inside there with the brush and use the vacuum cleaner to really reach inside there, clean out the coils from the back side, and then the most important is cleaning the coils from the front side. I'll show you that in a minute. So the main thing back here is I like to take the cover off. And then you're just going inside here. You got all this nasty dust. You got the coils back in there. And I'm trying to reach in with the brush and clean out the dust off the coils. And then I'm gonna get it all loose, and I'm gonna use the vacuum cleaner with the hose attachment to reach in there and suck all that dust up. Okay, I got the back part all cleaned out. Now I'm gonna clean the front. That's really the most important part. The front and the underside is really what's crucial. So underneath your refrigerator, you're gonna have a vent cover. You wanna pull that off. It should just snap off without any tools. I should just have like some spring clips. Shouldn't take any tools to take it off. And mine's really, it's pretty clean inside. But what you want to do is you want to get your long handled brush and you want to stick it in between some coils. And then I like to run the vacuum cleaner at the same time. So I'm sticking the vacuum hose right inside there. And then I'm going to not turn the vacuum on for this video, it's too loud, but basically I'm just going to run the brush in and out and be sucking up all the dust bunnies that are in there. So it helps clean all the coils off, and cleaning all those coils off really makes your refrigerator run better, extends the life of your refrigerator. You keep your refrigerator running better, it's going to help the compressor, it's going to extend the life of your refrigerator, and it's going to make things run cheaper, more efficient, better all around. So that is how you clean the coils and maintain your refrigerator. I hope this video helped. Thanks.